Hello, it's me, Miss Chelsea, and I will do another video of Mary-Kate and Ashley's beauty secret. The first thing I'm going to talk about is sunny days. Now, lots of people enjoy the sun. I too enjoy the sun, but I kind of don't want to be out in the sun for that long because I get freckles, and freckles drive me nuts. I mean, lots of people think freckles are cute, but I don't. On me, we know that sunbathing isn't always good for you. It is good to get, obviously, some vitamin D. Did you know if you do not wear sun cream, like it says here in the book, 99% of your wrinkles are from sundown? I don't know if you can hear that, but I got one cat snoring, and then I got another cat who's just meandering around. The importance of skin protection when it comes to sun. You should wear sun cream, as it says here, of at least SPF 15. Now I try to get SPF 15 or higher. Sorry, I'm just laughing at my cutie. She's snoring. What's also cool is if you wear lots of makeup, you can find foundation with SPF in it. I personally haven't really found anything for myself, for my skin tone. I do know that the other day I did spot some that had SPF in some foundation, but once again, it wasn't my skin tone, or didn't match my skin tone. What it says here, SPF relates to the time you spend in the sun. Well, I already know in the fact that when you get sun cream, sunblock, that sort of stuff, it tells you to put another layer of sun cream after 18 minutes or 120 minutes. It all depends on the type. I'm going to show you some sunscreen that I use. Okay, it looks like Chippy has found birdies. I know! Okay, so the first one I get is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen, and its SPF is 110. So it protects from the UVAs and the UVBs, which is very good. What I like about it is it doesn't go on sticky. You know how sometimes sunscreens, sunblock, sun creams, they all have this particular feel and it's sort of sticky? That's something that this doesn't have, which is really good. Another one that I use, because this is more for your face, this one I use is Hawaiian Tropic Oil-Free Sunscreen. Protects, softens, leaves skin radiant, and it's 50 plus SPF. You know what I can't believe? Is the two girls that do not like each other are sitting next to each other. I don't even know how that is happening. Remember, the longer you stay out, the more you're gonna have to reapply sun cream and stuff. You will get burned. I get burnt very easy. It's just the way things are. Some people are born fortunate enough to not get any sunburn. Just they can tan basically. Oh wow. But you still should wear sun cream, even if you don't burn. Now, let's go talk about some style when it comes to sunshine. Your eyes need protection as well because you can get an eye disease called cataracts from the sunshine. And if you're someone like me where your sight isn't that good, you can do like the cool thing like the cool kids do, because I've been doing this since high school. See how I'm wearing my glasses, my regular glasses? Now if you want to be extra cool, put your specs on over top of your specs and you're all set. Well, we can't forget about the head as well. You also need to have protective headwear. And because this is a Mary-Kate and Ashley tips video sun beauty thingy, I can't not just wear a hat, just a regular plain old hat. I have to wear a Mary-Kate and Ashley hat. Boom! Now I would try to put this sucker on, but this is for kids, and because I have hair extensions in, it's going to be really difficult to wear. The hair extensions have made my hair even thicker. We're all set. Get your sun cream, make sure it's high SPF. Get your hat or toque, any type of toque or hat, and also respect. We are in winter, and if you live in Canada, fur. It's important to also, with your skin, not just with your face, but with your arms and your legs, to use moisturizer as well, because the air is dry and your skin will get really dry, kind of like how my hands are now. So they're all red, but I will show you some stuff that I do use. The first one I'm going to show you is this Grace Cole product. It's made in England, and I've had this since 2016, maybe 2015. Yeah, my products last a really long time because I don't use them that often as I should. And this one is another brand that I really like. It's called Cake, and it's cruelty and it's vegan free. Oh, and this one is against animal testing too, and it's paraben free. Okay, I just learned like a few months back that when you see this, the thing that says 12M or 8M means 12 months, and this is way past 12 months. This is like going back to 2015 or something, and I still have this. Oh, and this Cake brand, it is made in Canada, created in Canada. Let's talk about nails. Nails are just as important as your face. Now, I'm really bad for peeling my nails, and I do that out of anxiety or because my nail has a tear in it, so I'll start tearing it, and then, well, multiple reasons why it's tear. But there are products that I use to help my nails grow or strengthen because I have this really terrible habit. I'm a big lover of Sally Hansen. Sally Hansen is like the best brand that I use for me. There's tons of brands, like there's that OP brand, but that is really expensive. That's a treat. If I'm gonna get that, that's a treat. So these are the two nail polishes that I use. One's Nail Growth, it's Miracle Growth, and the other one is Miracle Cure, which is a strengthener. So if you have these, I recommend it. Okay, here's a fascinating thing. Eyebrows. We all have eyebrows, unless you shave them off for beauty reasons or because you just want no eyebrows or part of who you are. I don't know. Back in my day, you didn't have to draw on your eyebrows. You just had them. Eyebrows. Eyebrows scientifically are used to keep the rain and sweat off your eyes. That is just magical, right? You got eyebrows to protect your eyes, and I don't know why that came out like that. We spent hours plucking our eyebrows. I mean, some people use the thread, but that is really, really painful for me. I cannot thread. I'd rather just go and just. Some people even find that painful. And then you got I'll do it on my own, which is what I tend to do, but I haven't really done that in a while, is I'll use a tweezer. You know what I really miss is I did have really thick eyebrows. I had very thick eyebrows. But they kind of, when I first started going when I was 14, 15 to the beauty salon or whatever it's called, they made it kind of thin for me. And I was like, oh, these look really awesome. And then all of a sudden, I thought, oh, I kind of wish they kept it a wee bit thicker. Yeah. If anybody has anything that's like magically grows your eyebrows, that would be awesome. Does anybody sell magic grows for eyebrows? I mean, we hear it for hair. It'd be nice for the eyebrows, so I can just thicken it up again because I don't want to really use a pencil. I don't even know how to use a pencil, so I don't use one. I don't even use a comb, where you fix it up like that on your eyebrows. I don't even do that. I'm gonna end it with the eyebrows for part 2 because I do not want this video to be as long as the last video because I feel really bad about that, and my reading skills in the last video were just horrendous, just horrible. And so if you made it all the way to here, hopefully I was a little more entertained before. Yeah, so hopefully I'll see you in part 3 of Mary-Kate and Ashley's Beauty Secrets.